こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today culture video number 19 about the very beautiful expression. A great karate master called Tatsuya Naka Sensei was explaining to us about this expression in karate seminar in Spain recently. Naka Sensei is this person in this t-shirt. He wrote these 5 kanjis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 日々、これ、口実. And we can also write in this way when there are 2 kanjis, the same one, and to repeat this one, this is the repetition of the first kanji. 日々、これ、口実. Actually, he wrote in this way. 日々、これ、口実. 日々、これ、口実. The meaning of this expression, 日々これ口実, it is only like this. Every day is a good day. Well, anyway, I'm going to explain you in much detail. At first, let me explain you about the origin of this word. But in this case, we pronounce different way. We say, 日日これこ日. 日日これこ日. In this way, this is the word of Zen, the Buddhist Zen. Centuries ago, a Zen priest asked his disciples this question. I'm not going to ask you anything about the past 15 days. But from now, 15 days from now on, what do you think you must do? But no one answered this question. So this Zen priest himself said this to his disciples. 日日これこ日. He wanted to explain with these 5 kanjis, 日日これこ日. It means every day, whatever, what kind of day it is. Well, it doesn't matter. Maybe this is not very good day. Maybe you think every day, but every moment that you are living now, this is just now. It's not going back. So this is the only one, this moment, a moment, a day, this day, you must live with all of your heart, all of your energy. Then you don't have to regret anything. So it means every day, because this is only one unique day, every day is a good day. Actually, it is really genius to express this whole philosophy concept in only with 5 kanjis, 日日これこ日. So this was the origin. But nowadays we don't pronounce 日日これこ日, but we usually pronounce like this. 日々これ口実. But actually there are 2 other ways. Not so often, but we can say 日々これこ日. So the last part with this way of reading. Or 日々これ良き日. Good day, 良き日. But anyway, usually this pronunciation is the most common. 日々これ口実. Actually, it is almost impossible that every day is a very good day, right? For example, I'm going to talk about the weather. When we say good weather, we imagine blue sky, and it's not too hot and not too cold. It's warm and nice, or it's cool and nice, and maybe a little bit of wind, but not too windy. It's so nice. This is what we call good day. Now let's imagine it's raining today. And usually, oh, it's rainy, oh, like this. But actually, the rain is very important, right? Because it's very important for the agriculture. And also, if we don't have any rains, we don't have even water to drink. So rain is really important. So in some way, every day is a good day for some reason. Now let's think about typhoon. In Japan, there are lots of typhoon in autumn. Typhoon is like a hurricane, so violent, so usually nobody likes it. But just imagine if there's no typhoon at all, and it's not good for the nature, because thanks to typhoon, maybe the temperature of the water in the sea is it's going to be better, not too hot. And also all the nutrition that comes from the river to the sea, there are lots of nutrition. But because thanks to typhoon, they mix. So it's good for the water of the sea. So in certain way, typhoon is also good for the nature. Other example, I live in the south part of Spain. Here there are sometimes lots of wind. So windy, very strong wind called Levante. And this is a little bit like typhoon, but the difference, typhoon is just passes. But this Levante, we don't, now Levante came, but we don't know when they're going to finish. So sometimes 1 week, 2 weeks, all the Levante with so strong wind, and many people get headache like this. So I think usually no one likes Levante. But anyway, Levante it's not so not it's not so nice at all, but maybe something is good for the nature. Because of Levante, there are not so many mosquitoes because they flew away, and also the air that we breathe in, and it's gonna be cleaner, and it's better for our health in this way. If you only think that every day is a good day, 日々これ口実, and you don't do anything special, and nothing happens to you, nothing good happens to you. This day, this moment is only one. We cannot have the other this moment, right? So this is really only one moment that we are living just right now. So if we try to live this moment with all your energy, all your heart, then this moment is very good. But the next moment is also the same. And like this, today you can change this day. For you can be very good day, because the way you think, the way you feel, the way you react is all depend on yourself. No one forces you to, you must think like this. No, this is free, really free, the way you think, you feel. So if you try to live like this, every day is really the unique day, the only day, and I'm gonna live this day, no matter what is the weather, no matter the weather condition, body condition, and everything, then this day can be 日々これ口実. Every day is a good day. I try to live this moment with all my heart. And this moment altogether, it comes to the hour. And after the hour, this is one day, one whole day. My day can be a very good day, because I did everything that I could. So it's good. And today, so this is good day for me. And tomorrow, the same way. I try my day to be very good day. Even when it seems not so good day, but I try to change this day a good day. So this continuously like this, then how you think your future or your life, it's gonna be completely different if you think of it or you don't think anything about it. So 日々これ口実 is all this kind of meaning. Even if you are sick or ill and you're in the hospital, or maybe you might die in the near future. But anyway, if you live now, because you live now, if you don't live now, you cannot listen to anything. And if you live, and you've got your life, and every second of your life, that must be valuable because you live now. Maybe not so long for a long time, but if you got seconds, these seconds, you can change these seconds to be valuable and good things for you. So if somebody gives you this word, 日々これ口実, it means this person is giving you a good luck because this person wants you to value your life and to be happy. The origin of this word comes from the Buddhism Zen. In Zen, we don't think about the past because the past, that has already passed. I can't change anything. The past, okay, the past. In the future, so uncertain, I don't know even anything about the future. Nobody knows about the future. So I'm not going to worry it. I'm not going to worry anything about the future. But now, the present time, this is my responsibility to be good for me. So now, this moment, today, now the presence is the important in the Zen philosophy. So to feel everything with 5 senses and also to enjoy it, it's very important at this moment. I understand there are lots of moments in our life that is really, really sad. For example, in my case, when my father died or when my mother died, I was really, really sad, as you know. And even the animals pet, when they die, it's really, really sad, you know. I had lots of cats in my life, so I had many sad experiences. Anyway, now I've got this Sapphire, my cat. She's now 17 years old, and I understand she's very old. And she's alive. She's not here. She's on the bed now, and she can't enter here because I shut this door because she came and I couldn't make the video, so she was like this all the time. So, but she's okay. But I understand 17 years old for the cat, this is not very young. So anytime she can die. But anyway, I try to enjoy my life with my cat now. So the important thing is not to regret. So even in the very bad situations, you can live in the good way. You can live with your sense and you try to make it better. And in any case, this word, 座右の銘, 座右の銘, this means a motto or your favorite motto. Because for many people, this 日々これ口実 is their 座右の銘. Because this word, 銘, can help you live better. I heard this expression, 日々これ口実, from Naka Sensei, Tatsuya Naka, this great master of karate, and now I understand better his way of thinking, because now his life is so splendid and glorious. But you know that I know that he had lots of hard days too. But anyway, when when he teaches, he's so full of energy and he gives you everything he knows, right? So this is the way how he thinks. 日々これ口実. And imagine he has got lots of seminars all over the world. So the time gap and so lots of flights. So it's so tiring. But anyway, he doesn't show that he's so tired. He lives every moment. So this is 日々これ口実. I hope that you are listening till now here. Then you think this video was useful for you And these moments that you are listening to me, that was valuable. Because when I make my videos, I do with all my heart. I want you to learn. I, I just want to inform many things that I know. So I hope you liked it. If you would like to help me, please share my videos with your friends. And if you give me like, that motivates me a lot. いかがでしたか？気に入っていただけましたか？今日はとても素晴らしい言葉、日々これ口実、これについて説明させていただきました。これはつい最近、日本空手協会の中先生、中達也先生から聞いた言葉です。そして中先生のお人柄がよく表れている言葉だなと思いました。最後まで見てくださった皆様にも、このビデオを見ていた瞬間瞬間が良かったなと思っていただけたらとても嬉しいです。私はビデオを作るにあたっていつも心から皆さんを応援したいと思って頑張って作っています。ですからそれが伝わってくれたら本当に嬉しいです。このビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひチャンネル登録、そしていいねボタンお願いいたします。とても励みになります。それから私のビデオをお友達にシェアしてくださったら本当にそれは私にとってとっても大きな手助けになります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いいたしましょう。じゃあね。